This is the OXO Classic Tea Kettle. As you can see, it's really, really pretty. Has brushed stainless steel finish. It's very well made. This is nice heavy padding on the handle. It has a soft whistle, which is nice because it doesn't scream at you. There you go. And it has a nice wide opening at the top, which is actually why I chose this kettle, because I like that I can take the cover off and it has a wide opening, easier to clean and easier to see inside. I love the shape of it. It is very classic. It's beautiful. It's well made, and I would definitely highly recommend it.